Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something interesting to share with you all. A while ago, I reviewed the GF-07 mini GPS and its work perfectly. However, recently, I've been receiving a flood of comments from you, my awesome followers, telling me that the product isn't working as expected. Intrigued, I decided to investigate further and purchase the latest version of the GF-07 Mini that's currently available in the market. And let me tell you, the results were surprising. Before we dive into the details, give a like to the video and subscribe, and let's quickly recap my previous review. 3 years ago, when I tested the GF-07 Mini GPS, it worked perfectly fine, allowing me to send and receive SMS messages with the link of location in addition to accepting calls. It was a nifty little device that offered great value for its price. However, after reading the recent comments, I was disheartened to learn that many of you were experiencing issues with the product. So, I decided to put it to the test once again with the latest version available in the market, and guess what? I was just as surprised as you are right now. The GF-07 Mini GPS that I purchased recently can no longer send SMS messages. It seems that the functionality has been removed or altered in this version. While the device still performs its primary function of accepting calls, the SMS feature is noticeably absent. The device can receive SMS orders, but it does not have the capability to send SMS messages. This means that his can receive commands or instructions through SMS and the device will respond accordingly, but the device can't send SMS to your phone, including the link of location of the device. To bind a master number to the device, you need to send the command 30 via SMS to the device. Once the device receives the 000 command, it will bind your phone number as the master number. This allows the master number to activate the voice control callback feature by send the command 666. From that point on, the device will monitor sound levels, and when it detects a level above 40 decibels, it will automatically call the preset phone number. You can cancel this feature by text 444, and when you call the device number, the device will automatically answer the call, allowing you to listen to the surrounding audio through the built-in microphone. This feature enables you to remotely monitor the audio in the vicinity of the device. So, these are the all features that I have discovered in this GF-07 Mini GPS version, but it can't offer location tracking. Please note that these features may vary depending on the specific version of the GF-07 Mini GPS you have. I must admit, this change caught me off guard. As someone who appreciated the SMS functionality in the previous version, I understand how important it can be for many of you. It's disappointing to see that a feature that was once present has now been removed. Going forward, I will be exploring and evaluating other mini GPS tracker options available in the market, ensuring that I give you honest and comprehensive reviews. Therefore, if you are interested in this, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. In conclusion, if you're considering purchasing the GF-07 Mini GPS, be aware that the latest version available in the market no longer supports SMS messaging, and you can get the location link. It's crucial to have all the necessary information before making a purchase decision, and I hope this review helps you in that regard. As always, I want to hear from you. Have you encountered a similar issue with the GF-07 Mini GPS or any other product? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one. Thank you for joining me today and being a part of this discussion. Remember, it's important to stay informed and share our experiences to help each other out. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and I'll see you soon.